Hello guys, welcome back. As I said in my previous video, today I'll show you how to make an auger. Before that, let's know what is an auger. An auger is a device which has helical shaft which can be used to make bore into sand, ice, wood, which can be used to move material from one end to other, specifically loose material from one end to other. If you look at the auger from front, the front view has circular shape. This is the tube inside which the auger is to be rotated. Assuming inner diameter of the tube is 4 centimeters, in that case the diameter of the circle seen in front view that comes to 4 centimeters. Let's look at cross section. Assuming this angle is 90 degree, we have this shape inside the tube. This is 90, so half of this is 45. With this, as with the inner diameter of 4 centimeter, we have 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and with Pythagoras theorem this comes to 5.6 centimeters. Now we have two dimensions. One is the horizontal diameter of the shaft and one is vertical dimension of the shaft. So we need to cut the shape of shaft like this, with its height as 5.6 and width as 4 centimeters. Our agur is ready. This is made using cardboard. This one is made using the plastic cards, and the tube used is a syringe. Inside this syringe, this agur will rotate and propagate the loose material from one end to other. I made this using plastic and cardboard. You can use metal or whatever material per your requirement. Thanks for watching my video.